Designs by Dolores, Lab 3.2. We want to start off the same way as we have in all the other files. You want to download and extract the design zip file. This will contain your images that we have. Again, let me open this up to show you here. So you have your image folders. You're going to want to put the image folder inside your designs folder on your desktop. It also contains the text on the about page. So again, there's going to be a few pages that have content. The index and the about page will have content, so you don't type anything up. This is where that text is located at. So back in Dreamweaver, when you open this up and you want to start showing me and creating your video for me, again, I want to see this screen up here. I want to see your individual files here, your services, pricing, index, hosting, contact, about. We'll preview in browser. We'll test to make sure your links all work. I want to see your images, your 3 different images that go inside that folder. So there shouldn't be anything else out here. Okay, so CSS is just going to have your CSS, your 3 images, and then your template will have one thing, and then your other files outside that. So that's going to be something I'm going to be checking closely on these. So again, when you go back and you're ready to show me this, just open up your index and preview in browser. Again, when you open this up, again, let's look at your links first. So again, mouse over, but don't click on. I want to look at your page properties, your hover, your link, your visited, all those settings that we went back and changed. I want to point out, again, sometimes they're easy to miss as you're going through. So make sure you watch that. So again, right now, as I hover over home, about us, services, pricing, everything here, it's linked, should go to yellow. When I click on home, it does not change color. So again, I'm looking for that. I have a margin here, so this is aligned on the left side of that picture here for the index page, the about us. Here's your page. It should look like this. This is the text I referred to. This is in the notepad file, the text file. In your zip file that we downloaded, we want to center this. Again, you may have some issues with this depending upon how you do this and what's around that. The center HTML tag would work if you want to put that back in the code view, just a comment with that. And then go through your other pages. So here's your services page. It's blank, pricing, web hosting, and contact us. Okay, so there's nothing on the other pages. So really, we only have the index and about us, but all the other pages should be there and set ready to go. Next chapter, we're adding more stuff on this.